I was one of those that was like, I don't really need a VPN. I don't do anything malicious or anything like that. And yeah, I'm a gamer, so I've had a few things, had some issues with my passwords before, or et cetera, et cetera. And I was just sitting there thinking, like, why not just give one of the top VPNs out there a try? I decided to try out NordVPN. I did like the little, trial thing, and I found that I actually enjoyed it. And let me show you a little bit of it real quick here. Bam. Do you see right there where it says ads and trackers? It's blocked so much stuff for me. I like the app a lot, primarily because it does give me that sense of security. I do feel safer, I'll be honest. Now, are there some times when I'm gaming that, the VPN may act a little funny? It used to. But as of the last couple updates in the past month, I haven't really had any issues at all. So I highly recommend getting NordVPN. Not just for gaming, not just for downloading stuff you probably shouldn't be, but get it for that sense of security, to feel safer, to know that your stuff on the dark web nowadays is actually pretty safe. I mean, come on, guys, think about it. I mean, how many times do you sit there, you go on your Facebook, you've done the authenticator, or then you got to go in there and change a password, and you have to sit there and try to think of one you haven't used before. Well, NordPASS, which is also part of Nord, will help with that. It'll automatically set up a password for you that's extremely intricate that no one else can get to. On top of that, it's saved onto the app itself, so you can access it anywhere. Only you can do it. So let me give you an example. I had to go to the DMV for my wife. I was like, crap, I don't have the password for this specific website that we need to access to get the information you need. Logged into my NordPASS app, boom, there was the password. Had it right there when I needed it. It'll even give you the pass keys for like Google or Windows. If you have pass keys for that, it'll save it on there, and it's all encrypted for you. On top of that, you could actually set how many characters you want for that super crazy intricate password that'll automatically set up for you. I'm telling you right now, man, I've been using it for about a year now, and I love them both. I cannot go on the internet anymore, log in everything anymore without feeling safe unless I have these things enabled. I'm not messing around. Like, I'm being serious. Check it out. If you guys want to just try out, at least try the password manager, I got a link for it in the description right there. You get a discount on it. It's super, super cheap. It's like $1 or $2, but try the free version first. Just click my link, try the free version. If you like it, awesome. If not, that's on you. No biggie. But at least give it a shot. We're at that day and age where a lot of things are there's just so much going on, and it's hard to dictate, which sites are malicious, which ones are not, even on the ones we use day to day. Come on. Have you logged into Facebook recently and been like, there's an ad for something I was talking about with a friend, and it just appeared? You're like, I didn't, that's so weird. We're always being spied on, guys. Be safe out there. Come on, especially with all of us cutting cable and trying to stream at different places. NordVPN will help you with that as well. Let me show you something. You're like, okay, I want to connect to, I don't know, somewhere else and watch something somewhere else. Right now I'm in the States. I want to go and I want to watch some Canada stuff. Boom. You click, I'm going to click Vancouver right here. It's going to take you just a second. Boom. I'm connected to Canada. Look at this. Deliver to Canada. It'll automatically do this for you. All right. So same thing. It should work for sites like even YouTube. If you want to watch some stuff that's, acting funny, or you can't watch it in certain areas, look at that right there. CA automatically. Okay. Let's try Colombia. Colombia. All right. So let's go back here. Let's go back to YouTube. Bam. Colombia. It's that friggin' easy, guys. But it works. It actually works. Highly recommend checking it out. Like I said, links are in there. Give it a shot. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? You don't like it and you just uninstall it. That's it. It works on your phones, iPhones, Androids, your PCs. It's worth it. I'm being serious. If you're new here and you're checking it out and you're curious, feel free to ask questions in the comment section below. I'll do the best I can to answer for you. I'm just being real and honest. Speeds, you want to know about speeds? Let me show you something. Okay. So right now I have Verizon, all right? We're going to do this, all right? I pay for 300 down, 300 up. Let's do this. I'm connected to the VPN right now still. That ain't bad. That is not shabby. Not shabby. Still get a good damn upload, still get a damn good download. That ain't bad. Yeah, if I turned off the VPN, would my upload be up closer to 300? Of course. But honestly, that's more than enough for what I needed to do right now. Honestly, so there you go. Give it a shot. Being serious, just try it. It's that easy. What else is there to know? Like I said, if you have some questions, feel free to go ahead and put it in the comments. I'll try to do the best I can in answering them. I'm sure there's other people in the community that have some answers for you as well. Other than that, stay safe, stay hydrated, stay cool and warm. Sideward now.